Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my latest video that answers the question, what exactly is the Python programming language? Python is a general-purpose programming language that can be used for almost anything. Almost means that it isn't really suited for every single thing out there. Especially when processing speed is important. Sometimes speed is more important than versatility, and that's okay. All of that being said, Python can handle most jobs perfectly. A brief history of Python. Python first debuted in 1991, created by one developer, Guido van Rossum. Unlike many languages, Python wasn't developed for one specific purpose. It was created to be used as a general-purpose language, to be used in near any field. Thanks to the thousands of volunteers that assisted Guido after the first version, we have the Python that we know and love today. Here's a fun fact for you, Python actually got its name from the famous British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. When I think of the Python programming language, one statement comes to mind. An easy-to-read, customizable language that allows us to accomplish almost anything with the boundless building blocks that come along with it. Python can be found in so many fields around the world: data science, automation, cybersecurity, web servers, desktop applications, games, artificial intelligence, education, and more. A note about using the Python programming language in game development. Python isn't as powerful as C++ or C#. Even so, you can still build many different types of games with Python, and you shouldn't be discouraged by that. Many places hold hackathons to build games as fast as possible in Python, and you can find the closest one to you by doing a simple search. Also, there are libraries created specifically for game development with Python. These include libraries like Pygame and Panda 3D. Godot allows for use of Python through plugins like Godot Python. To summarize this up, Python is awesome. We can all agree. It may not be the best choice for certain things where extremely fast processing speed is required. However, it is great for most jobs. Python itself can be used alongside many different careers, even outside of development itself. Python is extremely easy to read and learn compared to most languages, and can even be used to create games. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding content.